here, Orbital Marine, orbitalboats.com. Trying out the Mirrocraft 167 troller today with a 40 horse Tohatsu on it. These Tohatsus are fantastic 40 and 50 horse motors, 4-stroke, very fuel efficient, very quiet. We got a 16 pitch prop on this particular boat here today. We just headed out for a little spin before we got on camera. A little light on the RPMs, probably going to have to down prop to a 15 pitch or a 14 pitch. Again, we're getting these 40s and 50s, same basic motor, looking for 5,000 to 6,000 RPMs at wide open throttle. We were somewhere in the 44, 4,500 range, trimmed completely up. So I'm thinking you get about 100 to 200 RPMs per pitch when you're pitching your prop here to try to get in an RPM range. So I'm thinking we're going to need something like a 14 on the back of this. But as it is, we'll check it out the way we have it right now. This particular boat does not have a built-in fuel tank. It's got a 6.6 gallon tank, got full fuel. Mitch and I are in the boat here again today. A couple life jackets and throwables. Pretty lightweight on the gear. We don't have our Group 27 battery in at this time. We just got the cranking battery in, so trolling motor is not operable. But we'll give it a go. Mitch is sitting in the bow of the boat here, filming, so we'll see how it comes out of the hole. As you can see, she's pretty doggy out of the hole. Definitely need to down pitch on the prop. The motor itself, though, quite quiet. Not a lot of vibration in the boat. At higher end speed, we'll trim it up here. Just broke loose a little bit on us. There we go, we're back on her. Got a pretty solid west wind out on the river here, getting some chop. But doing about 27 miles an hour right now at 4,500 RPM. So we went down to about a 14 pitch. We'd probably be in the 5,200 range. Maybe get a couple miles an hour more out of her. So somewhere in the 28 to 30 mile an hour range. Got her trimmed down. So running at about 2,000 RPMs right now. As you can see, not a lot of noise to the motor, not a lot of vibration in the boat. Great steering capabilities on these little Mirrocrafts. Right back into our waves, handles the waves just fine, even at slow speeds, no water over the bow. These Tohatsus are just so smooth, very efficient, very smooth running engines. Not a lot of vibration in the boat at all. Save a ton of money not going to a higher horsepower motor. Still gets you out to the fishing hole plenty fast. This particular boat is rated for a 60 horse max. 6 people in the boat. Right now and again, bear in mind we got a re-prop this thing before it would go out down the road. Right now we're running at about 20 miles an hour, 3,800 RPMs. Again, fantastically smooth. Going right down the chute here. West wind comes right down the heart of the river, so got some pretty decent chop. Not quite white caps, but getting there. Hard to get white caps out here on the river, but engine itself just purring right along. Fantastic package. If you're interested in it, give Dustin a call, 715-600-2425. Visit us at orbitalboats.com. Email us, text us, get you some numbers on a great little package here.